Welcome to Helena Bay, South Africa, where the ocean's bounty meets sustainable practices. At West Point Processors, we are dedicated to transforming fresh fish into high-quality products for local and export markets. Situated along the pristine Atlantic coastline, our operation starts at sea, where our experienced crew sustainably harvest anchovy, red-eye, and sardines, while protecting our marine ecosystems and supporting community livelihoods. Every catch reflects our dedication to sustainable fishing. Once the fish arrive at our state-of-the-art facility, our dedicated team processes them into premium fish meal, fish oil, and canned pilchards renowned for their nutritional benefits. Our factory holds multiple global certifications, including FSSC 2200, Marin Trust, and FEMAS. We also adhere to strict HACCP principles, which help guarantee that the products we produce are always aligned to the highest global standards. Our cannery produces Saldanha pilchards, a beloved South African brand available in tomato sauce, hot chili sauce, and smoked essence in vegetable oil. We process approximately 30,000 tons of whole sardines sourced locally or imported. Sardines arrive via vessel, truck, or containers. Locally caught fish are prepared immediately, whilst frozen fish are thawed in our tanks before being processed. Our skilled team of 400 seasonal workers meticulously sort the sardines, ensuring that only the best fish are selected for packing into 400 gram, 215 gram, or 155 gram cans. Once sorted and packed using auto-packing technology, sardines are conveyed and cooked in an exhaust box, where our quality team conducts inspections to ensure compliance with weight and quality standards. After cooking, excess water and oil are removed through a decanting procedure before adding our signature sauces or oils. The cans are then conveyed to seaming machines, which attach lids securely. Next, the product is cooked and sterilized in our retort system and cooled in our air cooling chambers. Once cooled, the cans are palletized and sent to our state-of-the-art labeling department, showcasing the iconic Saldanha brand. Finally, the cans are shrink-wrapped on checked pallets and loaded onto trucks for distribution across South Africa and neighboring countries, delighting millions of consumers. In addition to our cannery, West Point Processors specializes in producing high-quality fish meal and fish oil for export. Once our crew sustainably harvests the fish, it is offloaded at our private jetty alongside the factory, weighed and tallied against our total allowable catch before being conveyed into holding pits. Innovative technology is then used to convert fresh pelagic fish into nutrient-rich fish meal and fish oil, maximizing yield and minimizing waste. West Point Processors utilizes advanced cookers to extract liquid from the fish, which is drained using spinners and a twin-screw press. The resulting liquid is sent to a separator that extracts fish oil from water, and the oil is polished and stored in dedicated stainless steel tanks. The solid remnants are directed to 3 indirect steam disc dryers and 4 indirect steam rotor tube dryers, preserving fish meal quality. After drying, the fish meal is processed in hammer mills to achieve a precise grain size and is packaged into 1-ton bags stacked 3 high. Each batch is organized by badge number for traceability and quality assurance. Our fish meal is packed with high-quality protein, making it ideal for animal feed, specifically in aquaculture industries like salmon, sea bream, and sea bass, whilst our fish oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, essential for both human and animal health. By choosing sustainable fish meal and fish oil from West Point Processors, you support a vision for healthier oceans and thriving communities. Join us on this journey towards sustainability by reaching out to us today. Discover more about our products and practices at westpointprocessors.co.za.